Do you live in a capital city, Cairo?
No, I'm teacher. And أحبك, I love you. Love you means in Bangla, what?
Welcome to Bangladesh. If you want to get free time, you can visit our country. You can visit
Inshallah.
you from Bangladesh.
Yeah.
I am talking to you from Bangladesh. This is our beautiful country, Bangladesh.
Welcome.
Okay, Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam.
Okay. Already I have
Alaikum
followed you.
salam.
Yeah, of course. Already I have followed you. We are two Muslim. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
What time is it now?
Thank you.
What time is it now in your country? Right time? Time.
Time, 8 and a half p.m.
Oh, just here in our country, Bangladesh, 12:30 a.m. over midnight.
Wow.
Over.
Too late.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually,
It's too late.
do you live in a capital city, Cairo? Are you from Cairo?
No, from another. No, from another city.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Just Egypt. Egypt has a historical importance in history. Egypt. Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
There are many historical places in your country, Egypt. I have known from books.
Yes.
Yeah. Of course. Actually,
Yeah, good.
are you a student? Do you study? A student? Study.
No, I'm teacher.
Teacher. Oh, are you college or university teacher? College or university?
I'm teacher in primary school.
Primary school. Okay, just I am a private teacher. I teach my students both English and mathematics all together. Already I have completed MSc degree, Master of Social Science in Social Work. Okay, teacher. I am to teacher. Okay, nice to meet you. We are to same.
Good. Nice to meet you too.
Okay. Just I am asking little questions. Please inform your country's natural scenery and historical importance. Basically, the river Nil Nod, and there are many artificial and natural scenery of your country. Please, will you inform me a little bit? Short sentences within. I am very interested to learn.
My English is not high level. I can just understand what you say, but 50-50.
50-50. Okay. There is no problem. Just I can speak.
Yeah.
I can speak a language a little bit. Sentence I have learned already. I am sharing with you.
Yeah.
Kaifa haluka means how are you? Okay.
How are you?
Am I right?
How are you?
you?
Yeah, I am. أنا بخير.
Okay.
I'm good. أنا بخير.
Just another sentence. Min aina an means where are you from? Am I right? Min aina an.
Yeah. Min أين أنت?
Min aina an. Kaifa takdimuam means how do you spend your free time? Most of the free time. Kaifa takdimuam. Sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
كيف إيه؟
Okay. Just kam umruka. Actually, kam umruka.
35. I'm 35.
I am sharing some Arabic sentence with you.
Okay.
Kif halek means how are you? It is another sentence. Kif halek.
Yeah.
And Juan ro means where are you going? Means Juan ro. Sure. Juan ro.
One row by Bangladesh.
Yeah, of course. Bangladesh.
Yeah.
Just Ana Habbek means what? I cannot.
أنا أحبك. and أحبك, I love you.
I love you means বাংলায় বেঙ্গলি মিনিং আমি তোমাকে ভালোবাসি বেঙ্গলি মিনিং
Binglo, what?
বেঙ্গলি
I can't say it.
বাংলা ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ বাংলা ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ
Bing,
yeah
love you means in Bangla. What means
আমি
love you?
আমি তোমাকে ভালোবাসি আমি তোমাকে ভালোবাসি means I love you this sentence
I mean,
তোমাকে
no, it's difficult.
difficult oh just
Yeah, it's difficult.
I am giving you suggestion just I love you you write this sentence in English Google Translate you can help with Google Translate
Yeah,
into
yeah.
Bengali language you will select English into Bengali you will get so much benefit I think that okay
Okay.
just
Okay.
already I have learned these kinds of sentence from Google Translate into Google okay Google Translate
Good. That's good. That's good, but I am forget a lot of words and sentence. I can't remember good. I always don't remember. I forget always what
Okay.
I study.
okay just I think that you have taken so much idea about syllable the grammar about syllable to learn right pronunciation of English okay have you taken
Okay.
idea yeah syllable just Bangladesh we can divide the word into three parts Bangladesh we can divide the word into three
Yes,
parts
yeah.
and your country Egypt how many syllables are there Egypt two parts
Egypt.
E-
Yeah, yeah.
two
Egypt.
two parts
Yeah.
just one part is called syllable yes sure already you have taught your students about syllable clear idea you have given them okay basically I have
Okay.
taken already teaching profession just extraordinary experience about teaching profession already I have taken and 20 years experience teaching profession I have a 20 years teaching profession when I was a student of class 10 from then I have been teaching my students just over 20 years over I have taken idea about teaching profession just welcome to Bangladesh if you want to get free time you can visit our country you can
Inshallah. I hope.
visit our country
Okay.
this our country Bangladesh is evergreen everywhere and natural scenery is very attractive to look at
I mean, inshallah, when I have the money, I will come.